Hello guys, welcome to another new class. Today we will learn about common conversation between two persons and this is the part 2. I have also given the link of part 1 in the description box. So guys, before starting the class, I want to tell you some important things about our today's class. First of all, make notes of whatever I teach you and practice them later. Don't worry, it won't take long because my lessons are made in a very short time. The second thing is, there are two characters in our lesson whose names are A and B. So first, I'm gonna read A's dialogue in English and then I translate it into Hindi and then I do the same thing with B's dialogue. And the third thing is that in between, I will keep telling you some important things which is related to Hindi grammar. So guys, let's start the class.
B. Thank you. So when and where will you teach me? धन्यवाद. तो आप मुझे कब से और कहाँ पढ़ाएंगे? धन्यवाद. तो आप मुझे कब से और कहाँ पढ़ाएंगे? A. If you want, come to my house tomorrow at 7 p.m. I will teach you a full hour. अगर आप चाहें तो कल शाम 7 बजे मेरे घर आ जाना. मैं आपको पूरा 1 घंटा पढ़ाऊँगा. अगर आप चाहें तो कल शाम 7 बजे मेरे घर आ जाना. मैं आपको पूरा 1 घंटा पढ़ाऊँगी. If you are a male, then use पढ़ाऊँगा. And if you are a female, then use पढ़ाऊँगी. Guys, must take a look at this. This is very important. B. I will definitely come. But where is your home? मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. पर आपका घर है कहाँ? मैं ज़रूर आऊँगी. पर आपका घर है कहाँ? A. My house is in Block B in Lakshmi Nagar. मेरा घर लक्ष्मी नगर में ब्लॉक बी में है. मेरा घर लक्ष्मी नगर में ब्लॉक बी में है. Note: Friends, the Hindi meaning of come is आना, but here in this sentence we use come with will. That means future, and आना becomes आऊँगा or आऊँगी. It's all relates to Hindi grammar, and we will also do Hindi grammar classes later. Here it is important to tell you so that you people do not get confused. B. Can you please give me your address? क्या आप कृपया अपना पता मुझे दे सकते हैं? क्या आप कृपया अपना पता मुझे दे सकते हैं? A. Yes, it is absolutely necessary. हाँ, ये तो ज़रूरी है. हाँ, ये तो ज़रूरी है. Note: Guys, here I am writing some groups of words and their meaning in Hindi like this. They are connected with these sentences. So guys, please read them carefully. B. Can you give me your phone number? क्या आप मुझे अपना फ़ोन नंबर दे सकते हैं? क्या आप मुझे अपना फ़ोन नंबर दे सकते हैं? A. Yes, my phone number is 6332945682. हाँ, मेरा फ़ोन नंबर है 6332945682. हाँ, मेरा फ़ोन नंबर है 6332945682. A. You also give me your phone number. I will send you my address. आप भी मुझे अपना फ़ोन नंबर दे दो. मैं अपना पता आपको भेज देता हूँ. आप भी मुझे अपना फ़ोन नंबर दे दो. मैं अपना पता आपको भेज देता हूँ. B. Thank you very much. आपका बहुत धन्यवाद. आपका बहुत धन्यवाद. So guys, this was today's class and this is the whole summary of today's class, or you can call it revision part. And I want you to at least write this, which is on the screen right now, in a separate notebook and revise it again and again, because these are common sentences spoken in Hindi which you must know. So guys, it is the time to say goodbye. You all are very precious to me. Please do subscribe, like and share and comment. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this video, stay healthy, stay happy. I love you very much. Bye-bye.